on my lesson last time. Don't tighten no radiator bolts up until all of them ran. Because now it's going to be those and they're a bitch. That was way too easy. Something's wrong. Maybe not. Maybe not. How are you doing on yours? It was hard going in, remember? When we put the motor in last time? When we put this motor in, I had the hardest time with that thing.
Did you?
It's just, oh, you know what? I got a wrench stuck on it. I got a wrench stuck on it. I couldn't get the wrench off. On the side where you have the ratchet. An awful lot of tools to get 4 bolts in. Jeez. Done with all of that. Yeah, let me get the lower hose on. Is it just the lower hose?
There's one clamp for it.
Oh yeah. These are 7/16, right?
Yeah.
Something tells me I should have put it on first. God.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about that.
How do you get that thing in there? Oops. I don't know, Lauren.
Gotta loosen it up.
Fuck, should we loosen up the radiator and just slide it out? Push it out towards the outside of the bus? Oh, it really won't go. It'll only go about 1/4 inch.
Yeah, I know that's a problem.
What else would you
What about that hose? Will it move?
No, the exhaust is in the way. Oh, shit. Oh. It might make it right there. I need oil. Or WD-40. Something. It's water. Need to lube it up. Need lube. It's definitely gonna go in there. That's all there is to it. Sandpaper. Yeah, that'll work.
Huh?
Yeah, WD-40 will work.
Not on the...
What?
It's not in there. Let me...
Oh! Just pull the dipstick out. Let me get some of that oil.
Can't find it.
Just more.
Yeah?
More. One more. More lube. Oh yeah, hi. Let me have that.
You don't need it?
Yeah, I need it. Okay. Oh, bitch.
That circuit breaker.
Really?
Comes loose. I don't know what it is about that circuit breaker. It has a tendency to burn itself up.
Talking about the one you put in for me? That's how you do it in the big CD. I love these hose clamps. Loved them. Because they're just badass. I hate these hose clamps because they're just weak. Oh, I need that. What's that? Oh. Goes right there. Goes right there. Welcome, Mike Allison. Dude, it ain't that long.